In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Wix Logo Maker to create a stunning and professional-looking logo for your brand. If you're looking to design a logo effortlessly, this tool can be a game changer for you. Let's get started. First, head over to the Wix website editor. This is your control center, and everything begins right here. Once you're logged in and at the homepage, navigate to the editor to kick off this creative journey. Now, you're in the editor. Let's continue by adding a new section. Click on Add Section in the menu. This will allow you to customize and place your logo precisely where you want it on your site. Once you've added a section, you'll want to go ahead and select Add Elements. This is crucial as it will provide you with the necessary tools and items you need to design your logo. In the Elements section, look for the Logo tab. Clicking on this will take you to Wix's logo capabilities. It's designed specifically to make this part of designing smooth and efficient. Next, select Custom Logo, which will open up an array of options where you can tweak and personalize your design. Play around with the various features until it feels just right. Now, click Add Logo. This action tells the editor you're ready to integrate your custom piece into the section you've previously set up. Moving forward, take advantage of the Manage Brand feature. This is where you'll input critical information about your business. Start by typing in what type of business you do. This step helps Wix tailor suggestions that are relevant to your industry niche. Once you've described your business, click Next to proceed. Here, you have the option to skip certain prompts if they aren't applicable to you, although exploring them may offer additional customization ideas. In the following field, type in your business name. Your brand's identity should be clear and compelling, so take your time to ensure it's shown accurately. Now let's customize your logo. Click Customize Your Logo to start. This step is where you inject your unique style and preferences into the design. After making your adjustments, click Next again. If at any point you feel satisfied with your current design and details, feel free to skip unnecessary prompts. Eventually, you'll arrive back at Manage Brand. Here, you'll finalize the branding elements, ensuring every detail aligns with your desired brand image. Your brand name is featured prominently in these management tools, offering clear visibility of your identity. As you wrap up this process, take a moment to review all your work. Ensuring consistency and professionalism will give your logo the extra edge it needs to make a lasting impression. And that's it. Using the Wix Logo Maker is a straightforward and effective way to create a professional logo that represents your brand's ethos and style.